Hello everyone, my name is Guillermo and welcome to Indie Tutorials. Today we are going to take a look at a quick feature I found in order to help me import animation from other engines or other sources besides the Unity Asset Store into my project to speed up the process of importing those. So let's say, for example, that we have exported from the Unreal Engine some animations that we found there and we bought there, and the normal process will be to import the mannequin. So we can see that we need to go through the model and uncheck some things that we don't want. On the rig we need to change it to humanoid, click apply to make all these changes. But also we see that, for example, we don't need the materials in this case, so we need to do also that. Then if we want to import animations, so if I do like so, by dragging the animations into the folder, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, so we have all the animations, and as you can see now we need to go through each of animation in order to go here and remove the materials and go to the model and remove the unnecessary import settings, go to the rig and change to humanoid and map it to the mannequin avatar that we already imported. And it's a very time-consuming task. If we have several animations, dozens of those. So the way I found it easier now is by, if you go to the top right corner, you see we have the cog with the reset options, and also this is very the next one is this one about the presets. So it says select preset, and then we have, of course, how to go to the reference. So what we can do here is to create a new preset out of this one. So let's call it UE4 uppercase, UE4 FBXimporter, and we can store it anywhere in our asset project, it doesn't matter. So let's save it here in the root of the episode. After doing that, if we go to the preset, we can then see that the information is stored in this preset, and you have this option in the top which says add to FBXimporter default. So if we click on this one, our preset will be used when importing FBX files. So let's do again a quick look. So we have our animations, we already modified the first one, the rest still unmodified. So what I'm going to do is just delete those, and I'm going to import them again. Again, let's wait a little bit. And as you can see now, if I go to the next one, it's already imported the animation with the preset defined in the one that we created. And it's very handy because now I can just go through the animation itself. I've, for example, changed whether if it's a loop animation or not. So let's, for example, take a look at walk forward. So here we can just check there is a loop, original, and original in the root transform for the Y, apply, and there we go. So from here we can just drag our mannequin into the scene. Let's create quickly an Animator Controller. Assign it to the controller slot. Let's open up and let's put the animation that we already modified. And click play. Again, of course, this issue is because the Unreal mannequin has a different rotation as Unity. So let's make a change here to put it on 0 and click play again. And there you have it. One thing that you don't want to forget though is to, let me stop the runtime play, is whenever you are finished importing your animation, remember to go to the FBXimporter preset and remove it from the default. Otherwise, if you ever try to import other FBX like models, it will be applied or yeah, the import will apply this preset that we have already. So always remember to remove the preset. And okay, well, that's all for today, and see you on next video. Cheers.